Good evening to all. My name is Aruna from 9th standard Dhwani Loka Jevargi. What is matter? Anyone guess the answer?
Matter is anything that occupies space and have definite mass.
Very good.
What are the Panchatatvas? There are 5 basic things from which the matter in made up of there are earth, air, fire, water, sky. Huh? There are 5 basic things from which the matter is made up. There are earth, air, fire, sky, water. Properties of particles of matter. Every matter small particles made up of small particles.
CLES.
Particles having space between them. Particles move continuously. Moving forces, moving particle forces, kinetic energy. As temperature increase, is kinetic energy of the particle also increase. The intermixing of two or more particles, it is called as diffusion. Every matter made up of small particles. Every matter made up of small particles. Particles have space between them. Particles move continuously. Moving particles forces kinetic energy. As temperature increase, kinetic energy of particle also increase. The intermixing of two or more particles, it is called as diffusion. Thank you.